2, 1. Hi friends, my name is Reese Keir. Today we're going to have a sound effects battle between Joshua and Paige. May the best person win. Shotgun. DJ scratching. Electric guitar.
That's not bad.
Pouring water.
No, there's no way that that's real.
Elephant.
Ah, yes.
Look at his face.
One more time.
Pussycat. Fart noise. Chewbacca.
I don't know what a Chewbacca is. So should I just guess what a Chewbacca would sound like?
You got the right movie. Great.
Very nice. Laser gun. That's good.
Yeah, yeah.
That surprised me as well.
Dog yapping. Stop. I love you. Didgeridoo. Are you being serious?
I thought that was pretty good.
Arrow hitting a bullseye.
Why don't you shoot the arrow and I'll land it?
Okay.
Well done.
Beatboxing. Fairly even. Thank you for watching. Comment below to let us know who you think the winner is. You can follow Josh at his page, hi Josh. And you can follow Paige and her sketch comedy group, I'm With Stupid, at their Facebook page.
You can also find me on
Tinder.
Oh!
You didn't know about that yet.
Oh! Sumalama, Dumalama, yo, someone, I'm a human body, gonna get it through you. I'm superhuman, innovative, animated, rubber, so that anything you say is ricocheting off me and the good you. I'm
sitting
devastating,
here
wasn't
rapping,
there.
sitting here bouncing, sitting here making up, bouncing cats. That's how you beatbox, that's how you're cool. It's what you do when you're in the pool.
Collaboration.
Unity.